Today we're talking about how to think in English. No translation, no stress.
Oh, good. I've been struggling with that forever. Every time I want to say something, I think in my language first, then translate, and by that time, the conversation is over.
Exactly. That's why you feel slow. But don't worry. After today's episode, you'll understand how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Let's start with the first step, understanding why you translate in your head.
Okay, why?
Because when you learned your first language as a baby, you didn't use books or grammar rules. You just listened and repeated. But when you learn English as an adult, schools teach you with translation.
True. My teacher always said, apple means, and then the word in my language.
Exactly. So your brain learned to connect English words to your language, not to the real thing.
Wait, does that mean translation is bad?
Not bad, but it makes you slow. When you think apple, you shouldn't think the word in your language. You should see the red fruit in your mind.
Oh, like a picture.
Yes, pictures, feelings, actions. That's how native speakers think. For example, when I say happy, don't translate it. Just remember a time you felt happy. Maybe your birthday or a vacation.
Okay, I'm thinking about my dog. He makes me happy.
Perfect. That's thinking in English. You didn't need translation.
Wow, that was fast.
Now you try. When I say a word, don't translate. Just imagine it. Ready? Dog.
I see a dog in my mind.
Good. Now run.
I see someone running.
Excellent. Your turn, viewers. Repeat after me. I am thinking in English.
That felt different.
Now, step 2, think in simple English, not perfect English, simple.
What's the difference?
When you translate, you try to make perfect sentences in your head. That takes too long. Instead, think like a child.
Like a child. You mean use baby words?
Not baby words, simple words. For example, if you want to say, I'm exhausted, but you forget that word, just say, I am very tired.
Oh, so I don't need to know every big word.
Correct. Native speakers also use simple words most of the time. It's natural. Let me give you examples. Instead of saying, I reside in a metropolitan area, just say, I live in a big city. I'm famished. Just say, I'm very hungry. The weather is magnificent. Just say, the weather is great.
Oh, now that makes sense. I always tried to use difficult words to sound smart.
And that's why you got stuck. Simple is better. Now let's practice. I'll say a complicated sentence, you make it simple. Ready? I need to purchase some groceries.
I need to buy some food?
Perfect. See, you're thinking in English now. Viewers, your turn. Make this simple. I'm extremely delighted.
I would say I'm very happy.
Exactly. Step 3 is my favorite. Talk to yourself in English every day.
Wait, talk to myself? Like out loud?
Yes, even if you're alone. This is the secret of fluent speakers.
But what do I say? I'll feel silly.
You describe what you're doing. Right now, what are you doing?
I'm sitting. I'm listening to you.
Good. Say that in English. I am sitting. I am listening. I am learning English.
Oh, so I just describe my day?
Yes. When you wake up, say, I am waking up. I feel tired. I need coffee. When you eat, say, I am eating breakfast. This tastes good. Here are some easy things to say to yourself. In the morning, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting dressed. I'm ready. During cooking, I'm cutting vegetables. I'm cooking rice. It smells good. Before bed, I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Good night.
That's actually easy.
And the best part? You don't need anyone else. You can practice anytime. Let's try it now. Look around you. Describe one thing you see. Arthur?
I see a red cup on the table.
Great. Now, viewers, your turn. Look around, say one sentence in English about what you see. Great job. Step 4. Learn common English phrases as complete phrases. Don't break them into separate words.
What do you mean?
In your language, you have phrases that don't translate word by word, right?
Yeah, like when we say, actually, I can't translate it. It sounds weird in English.
Exactly. English is the same. Some phrases just are. You don't translate them, you memorize them as one unit.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. How are you? You don't think, how are you? You just know it means checking if someone is okay.
Oh, like, thank you. I don't think about the words, I just say it.
Perfect. That's the goal. Make English phrases automatic. Here are phrases to memorize as one unit. Nice to meet you. Don't think about nice or meet, just know it's a greeting. I don't know. Say it fast. I don't know. Let's go. You're suggesting to move or start. No problem. You're saying something is okay. You're welcome. Response to thank you.
So I should stop translating these word for word?
Yes, treat them like one word. Let's practice 5 phrases. Repeat after me fast. Ready? How are you? I don't know. Let's go. No problem. See you later.
Wow, that was like automatic.
Exactly. That's how you stop translating.
Emily, I think my brain is overheating.
Good. That means it's working.
But seriously, this is a lot.
Let me give you a quick recap. So far, we learned think in pictures and feelings, not words. Use simple English, not perfect English. Talk to yourself every day. Memorize common phrases.
Okay, that actually sounds simple when you say it like that.
It is simple. You're just learning a new habit.
All right, I'm ready for more.
Here's a bonus tip you can use today. Change the language in your phone to English.
Wait, really?
Yes, your phone, your computer, even your social media apps. Switch everything to English.
But won't I get confused?
At first, yes, but you already know how your phone works. So even if a button says Settings in English, you know it's the Settings button. You'll learn without trying.
Oh, so I'm learning while texting my friends.
Exactly. You'll see English words every single day, and your brain will start thinking in English automatically.
Wow, I wish someone told me that earlier.
Also, follow English accounts on social media. Memes, cooking videos, anything fun. You'll read English every day without feeling like you're studying. That's genius. It's easy and it works. Okay, let's practice together. I'll say a sentence, you think it in English. Don't translate, just repeat it in your mind or out loud. Ready, Arthur? Ready. I am learning English. I am learning English. Good. Next, I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
Great. Next, I think in English.
I think in English.
Excellent. Now, I don't need to translate.
I don't need to translate.
Beautiful. Next, English is easy for me.
English is easy for me.
Perfect. Next, I am getting better.
I am getting better.
Wonderful. Last one, I can do this.
I can do this.
Yes, you can. How do you feel?
Actually, I feel good. That was easy.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Every small step counts.
And if I can do it, trust me, anyone can.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Yeah, today we learned that thinking in English isn't hard, it's just different.
Exactly. Your brain is powerful. It can learn anything if you give it time.
And the best part is, we don't have to translate anymore.
That's right. Just pictures, feelings, and simple words. If you enjoyed this episode, comment below, "I'm learning," so we know you're practicing.